In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine a line graph and a column graph in Microsoft Excel. To start, open your Excel workbook and make sure your data is laid out clearly in a table. Typically, you'll want your categories, like months or product names, in the first column, and each series of values, such as sales or targets, in the columns to the right. It really helps if your headers are descriptive, because those will become the labels in your chart. Next, click and drag to select the entire range of data you want to visualize, including the headers. With your data highlighted, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. Look for the Charts group, and click on the Insert Column or Bar Chart option. From the drop-down, choose a basic clustered column chart. Excel will insert a column chart using all of the selected series. At this point, everything is shown as columns, but we want one of those series to appear as a line. Click once on the chart to select it, and then look for the Chart Design tab that appears on the ribbon. In newer versions of Excel, you'll see a button called Change Chart Type. Click that, and a window will open showing different chart styles. In that window, find the section labeled Combo or Combination. This is where you can mix different chart types in one graph. You'll see each of your data series listed, with a drop-down menu next to them. Leave the series you want as column set to clustered column, and change the series you want as a line to line. If one of your series is on a very different scale, you can also tick the option to plot that series on a secondary axis, which makes the chart easier to read. Once you've chosen which series should be columns and which should be a line, click OK. Your chart will now show both columns and a line on the same graph. From here, you can clean things up so the chart is easy to understand. Add a clear chart title by clicking on the default title and typing something meaningful. Check your legend to make sure each color and line style is labeled properly. You can adjust colors or line thickness by selecting a series, right-clicking, and choosing the formatting options. When everything looks clear and readable, you've successfully combined a line graph and a column graph in Excel.